In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to link my GTA account to Social Club PlayStation 5. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to link your GTA account to Social Club on the PlayStation 5. All that you have to do is visit this website here. So instead of doing the process on your console, I recommend that you do it through a web browser on your computer or your phone. Just go over to socialclub.rockstargames.com. In this page, you will be able to sign into the respective Rockstar Games account, and once you are signed into it, click on your icon at the top of the screen on the navigation bar. In here, select Account, and from the drop-down menu that appears, go over to the Settings. On the account settings, you have to switch over to linked accounts, and finally, the option to link a PlayStation Network account is going to be visible. And as you might expect, all that you have to do now is click Link Account. Immediately upon clicking Link Account, you will be redirected to the PlayStation Network website, where you can sign into a respective PlayStation Network account that you use on your PlayStation 5, and the link will be established. You can manage this link later and even remove it altogether, and this is especially useful if you are transferring from old gen to new gen. So all that you have to do is use your sign-in ID and password. For this video, I'm not going to proceed with this link, but after it is done, the account is going to appear under this page, and afterwards you can link more accounts. So if you have an Xbox console, you can do it here, and you can also link your Google account, Twitch account, and Amazon account. It's as simple as visiting the settings on the socialclub.rockstargames.com website, and after it is done, you will be good to go. Whenever you click the option to link an account, you will be redirected into the respective service where you can authorize the link. If you encounter problems while trying to do this, or if you cannot sign into your Social Club account, I recommend that you go through the Forgot Your Password or Forgot Your Email options, or even talk to the customer support and they will be able to help you. I hope I was able to help you on how to link my GTA account to Social Club PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.